It's re-review time! This is Pikachu Fizz from Obsidian Slime, but the label was lost when I played with it a few weeks ago. As you can see, that was a total fail, but then I nailed it. The smell of this slime has held up immensely. It still smells amazing, like lemon pound cake. It's one of my favorite scents, and it's awesome. Originally, I was not stunned with the color because it was brighter yellow in the original picture, but I mentioned that in my review, which you can find on my channel and see more about it. Overall, there was minimum slime loss considering that I've had this slime for about 3 months now. I really liked it. It stayed nice. Didn't have to activate it today, and it was super sizzly. This slime is certified popped fresh.